Therese, do a dance.
Like you're like submissive.
Do a dance, Amber.
I'm really amazed right now. He got rid of my hiccup.
What?
No, he did. He's like, just drink from the other side of your cup. And I was like, how? And then he did it, and then I did it, and then bam, whoa, gone.
Amber, who was it? Point to him. That guy right there. Zoom in.
He's a hiccup guy.
Are you the hiccup guy? Can we call you Mr. Hiccup?
No, but
Mr. Dress Up instead of
Mr.
Mr.
Mr. Hiccup because he doesn't have a hiccup.
What did she call him then, Amber? He's the hiccup doctor.
Dr. P.
What?
Dr. P.
Did you do the shopping cart?
You're probably on the wrong line before.
Do you know what I want?
Grab it off the shelf. Put it in the cart. Grab it off the shelf. Put it in my cart.
Sprinkler.
Before.
What the fuck is a lawnmower? Show it. Can I show it? Please do it.
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
Can you do the crack pipe?
no, this is a hot crack pipe.
Yeah.
Too hot. Too hot.
What? Kick rocks. Do kick rocks.
Keep rocks.
Right there, you fucking idiot. Shit.
Shit, kick rocks. Kick rocks. Kick rocks.
Hot pipe.
Whoa, Amber.
Hot crack pipe.
Therese. Can you do something funny, please? You haven't done anything funny.
I'm not funny.
You're hilarious.
Therese.
So hot.
She can be funny in her own way.
You know, the only time you're funny is when you're really retarded.
And I'm not on camera.
Well,
Well, you're fucking on camera now, bitch.
It's open.
I know.
Amber, do a really funky dance.
Shopping cart.
No, that's not
This is
fucking.
called to get over it.
Okay, then what's the do a funny joke or something? 'Cause that was boring.
Knock, knock.
Do you know what you
Who's
want?
there?